And 14 on the shot clock. Layup is good again for Austin Jacob. Yeah, no good. Rebound good for Austin Jacob on the attack, and the layup is good. Austin Jacob with a jumper, knocks it down. No good. Austin Jacob again with the rebound. Here's Austin, goes down the attack, all the way. Austin Jacob. Another ball stolen. Austin Jacob on the front court, pumping off the glass, 2 points for Austin. Here is Jacob Austin with a spinning layup. Galiana, 6 points to the ball snap. George Fabinho for steal. Jacob flying high to get the basket again. JBL, heavily guarded, ball snap again. Here's Austin Jacob, goes all the way. Timeout is called for Cavite City.